Hello everyone, welcome back to the craft room. Diane here. I am all finished with this folio and I have to say I am in love with it. It came out so cute. I've used almost every bit and speck of paper that came with this kit. This is the Steampunk Gentlemen kit by Natty Moon. This is my first design team project that I did with her. So I want to show you, this is the little pile of scraps I have left. This is what I have. Literally one label and a bit of scraps. So it was a very fun kit to work with, let me tell you. So I want to do a flip through of this and show you what I made with it. It's a folio with a single signature journal in it. Alrighty, I'm going to do a giveaway of this folio and I'm going to tell you about that at the end of the video. So stay tuned for that. First, I want to show you this closure I made. I took some string and I put a knot, I doubled it up, I put a looped knot in there, and then I used this key just to hold it closed. It's a little loose so that as you add your own pieces to it, you know, the folio can expand some, so you'll still be able to close it up. So we just unwrap that. There we go. So this is the front cover, and here's the back. Alrighty, and then when you open it up, on this right side, I just added a label here, and this is a puffy gear sticker that I actually found at the Dollar Tree of all places. And you open this up, there's three little sections here. There's another gear there. You pop this open, you can write here. I've got this as a little pocket with a tag and a little interesting paper to write on there. And then this pocket, if you take the paper clip off, this little tiny thing, it opens up into journaling space. So you have this big old square for a little secret journaling space and a cute little tuxedo there for my die cuts. Oh, it's going to take me a second to get this paper clip on. It's so tiny. There we go. It does go back on there. And then this side, you'll remember we had the belly band and the little pocket stop at the bottom. So I made this guy from scraps and I put my stamp on the back. Crafts by Diane, that's me. Alrighty. And those just slide down in there. So you've got that section, and then when you open this side, this is another sticker from the Dollar Tree. It's like a temperature gauge. Thought that was so cute. You open this up once, and then twice. You've got a pocket here. Lots of interesting tags. Here's one I made with one of the gentlemen there. Some Tim Holtz stamps. Little clock, and then this little notepad I made with some of the longer scraps. I sewed those in. I just glued this guy on the front with a number. Okay, and then we'll come over here. This is the belly band. So I made a couple, I found some pictures of mustached gentlemen, so I thought that was really cute. And used some of my die cuts on that tag. This little guy, this tag from the kit, and then this one I made with scraps and die cuts and a little label here on a layaway tag, another Tim Holtz stamp, and a piece of dyed cloth that was sent to me in a Happy Mail. I don't actually know what kind of cloth that is, but I love it. It's great for tags. All right. And then we come to our little button and string closure here. This is the same string that I used on the outside closure. As you can tell, I like this string that I found at the thrift store. I don't even know what kind it is. So this opens up. You've got your two flaps. And then we've got these gentlemen having a good time here. This journaling card that I made with one of the blanks from the die cut. This card from the kit, This card I found in my stash. Another kit tag. This tag I made from some scraps, some washi tape, and then some die cuts. So cute. Another tag from the kit. This gentleman is from my stash. This is from the kit and a die cut. And we have this handsome young man with another mustache stamp. I love pulling out all my masculine stuff. Then this is a scrap of paper, just a little flip up to write on, and a piece of a gift box with a stamp on the back. And all that fits in here. You could even fit more. You just stack them right up. There's so much room with this string. Okay. I really like that section. You could put so much stuff there. If you wanted, you could put pictures, you could, anything, honestly, anything. And then the little one signature journal was the last page of the kit that I had. I used as the cover, and then I used some tea-dyed papers, and I have some number stickers, some stamping, another stamp there. Did a lot of page folding so that you could get as much writing space as possible. There's the mustache again. A little tuck spot here, and another piece of that gift box with some die cuts on the back, and another card from the kit that I put on some tea-dyed paper. Another stamp from Tim Holtz, dictionary page, and this page was very heavily tea and coffee dyed, so it was a little brittle, so I used some washi tape on both sides to reinforce it so that it would stay well in there. Little top hat, that's cute. And then the center section is a big old music sheet, and I put a couple of the die cuts on our little string here, so you can have something fun in the center. Oh, stay in there, guys. Another number. I love this paper. Listen. Oh, it's so crispy. I love it. All right, dictionary. This is a certificate paper. Some grid paper, another mustache, and then the back page of the signature. So that was so much fun to make. I enjoyed using every single piece of that kit. There was pockets, tucks, tags, all kinds of good stuff. So let me show you how this closure works. So you have the loop here. You just hold that with your thumb, and it wraps around 3 times. And then you tuck the key right into the hole. Just like that. So see all that slack? You've got lots of room to have this expand fat. So, what you've all been waiting for, the giveaway. I am going to post this video, and the qualifications to be entered into the giveaway. Let's see, number 1, you have to be a subscriber, obviously, to my channel. Give me a like on this video. Leave a comment in the video so that I know you saw it. Follow the link to Natty Moon's Etsy shop and tell me the name of your favorite kit. Which kit did you like the most? So if you do those things, in your comment, tell me which kit you like from Natty Moon, and give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Then I will do a random drawing, and I'm going to do that drawing on Saturday. What day is Saturday? Let me get my phone. I don't know what today is, so I don't know what day Saturday is. Saturday. Looks like Saturday is going to be the 3rd. Okay, so Saturday, February 3rd, I will do a drawing from all the comments on this video that followed the parameters. So good luck, and I hope you enjoyed this. Please go visit Natty's shop. She also has a Facebook page, which I will link down below as well. She shares lots of things, and she's just a sweetheart. So go on over there. It's a great community. We're having a lot of fun, and good luck to everyone, and I will see you with my next project. Thanks so much. Bye.